Here's a video instruction on how to use this camera. Right now it's set to play. I have the plug goes in here. It's pretty cool. This pops off. Now this battery, you can charge this battery or use 9-volt batteries. I mean AA. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 AA batteries or this battery. But for what you're doing, transferring video, you just plug it in to the plug over here. Alright, so I'm closing that back up. Sometimes it doesn't like to close while it's plugged in. So next thing you do is I've only got one hooked up, but this is included. Video, the black one is audio, video's on top. It says so on that. It says audio and video. So video on top, audio on bottom. All camcorders, not all, but most camcorders only have one audio output. What I do, if I'm going to play this at my house, I get a splitter and I split. It goes from this to the left and right input, or just put it through one side, it doesn't matter. But like I said, most camcorders, this is the setup. One jack for video, one jack for audio. Alright, now when you lift this viewfinder up, you have your video controls. This is how you go from play and camcorder. That's play, that's camcorder. So this is what we're looking at. I'm moving that. So if there's a tape in it, you can start recording. So let's take it back to play by pressing that little black button, and then the TV will go back to the play mode. Now we hit the eject button, and this pops up and pops out. I don't know what's on this tape. Probably nothing. It's the only 8mm tape I have. Let's see. Oh, am I putting it backwards? The tape goes in. Once you have it set down all the way, you press this button. It says push, and it automatically goes back down. Don't push that down. If you push that down, you'll break the motor. So viewfinder says stop. Let's hit play. Let's see what happens. I don't think there's anything on that tape, or maybe I did a test recording. Let's do a test recording. Alright, I'm going to hit stop, rewind, and then we're going to go to camera. You can see on the viewfinder, let it set up. Now let's record that. So the record button is right here. So you hit that record button and then record, it says it's recording. So we'll do a little record. You can see what we're recording if you're still plugged into your TV, computer, or monitor. They have adapters. This is called a RCA jack, RCA. You can go RCA to HDMI. You can get an adapter. They do make adapters. Alright, so we've recorded for a minute. I'm going to you hit the button again, and that stops it from recording or pauses it. It says pause down there. I'm going to go to camera. So we're going to play what's on the tape. Hit the rewind button. Should show up on the screen in a second, but it's rewinding. Did it rewind? There it goes. Alright, that was only a minute. Now I'm going to hit play. This should play what I just recorded. Oh, no, I guess it went back far. I must have been at the end of that other tape. I could plug the audio in, but when you record this close to TV and the source is right here, you get a lot of feedback. So I don't record audio on my camera. So hit stop. We'll hit rewind. You can't really, it's not focusing. It is rewinding. Play. Oh, that's the start of the tape. The recording I made will probably kick in a second. Tapes degrade. This one looks pretty good. The date on that said 2001, so 24-year-old tape. If they're kept in a case, they should last a long time, but when they degrade, you'll get static on the screen, which is unfortunate. This fast forward button. That's fast forward. I'm just pressing and holding the button. I think if you press it twice, or you had to hit the stop button first and then fast forward. Yeah, now it's going real fast. I don't know if you can see that number. So we'll hit stop, play. Alright, now we're in Grandpa's room. Oh, this is the video I just made. I happened to stop it right at that spot, because that's over there. Alright, so it does record, does play just fine. There's supposed to be a rubber thing here for your eyeball, but I kind of like it without it. You can see better. Anyways, I'm going to get this packed and sent to you.